Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the most random grocery Walmart haul. We did pick up some Christmas candies, some of these Reese's miniatures, and the York peppermint patties. Some Danable smoothies. This is 3 days before Christmas, and I just wanted to get a few things in the house. A bag of these little mandarin oranges. Connor picked out the Elf on the Shelf cereal. At the time, I did not realize, because, you know, I guess I need to read it, that it has candy cane cookie and the marshmallows are kind of minty too. He did try it. He's not the biggest fan. I wish I'd have read the box before purchasing this. For a recipe, I needed some cream corn. I got some chocolate syrup for some chocolate milk. Decided to try this Hershey's Chocolate Caramel Delight, the iced coffee. I love the iced coffees, so I'm excited to try this one. I'm not the biggest fan of caramel, but it's paired with chocolate, so I don't know. Also had to pick up this Buddy the Elf Peppermint Mocha from the brand Delight. And I love Buddy the Elf too, and I tried this last night because we went late last night. So good. Bread and some of these original plain chips for chili cheese dip. I did pick up some of these Tyson Anitizers popcorn chicken for a mock recipe I'm going to film for you guys. And chicken fajitas, once again, a mock recipe I'm going to film for you guys. So I picked up some of those. Some Taco Bell chipotle sauce and some medium-sized flour tortillas. Told you this grocery haul was going to be pretty random. I did also get some medium shredded cheese and a jug of milk, which are in the refrigerator. So that's it for the grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Hope you all are having a wonderful holiday season. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And I thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links.